Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to increase volume in Premiere Pro. It's actually really simple. You have two ways how to do it. You can increase your volume right here in the mix. So let's say I have this clip, and as you can see the volume is hitting only minus 48 decibels, which is really low. I want more, so I will drag this track volume to the right. As you can see, I can add, for example, 10 decibels, which is pretty good, but as soon as you start dragging more, you will find out that you can go more than 15. So I will go back to 0, and now I will show you another way. You can adjust the volume on the same clip. So let's say double click on this line, on the track where you have your audio clip, and then go over here to see this white line. Drag this white line up. Now as you can see, you can also add volume right here, but always only 15 decibels. So how can you add more volume? It's actually pretty simple. You will have to go right click on your track and then find audio gain. Click on that. Now you can adjust your gain by whatever decibels you want. So let's say I want to adjust it by 30 decibels, press OK, and now my track will be blown out of the sky. It's actually too much, but this is how you increase volume in Premiere Pro on the specific clip. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.